friends, our journey to Leh Ladakh is beginning. We are at Sialdah station and this is the Rajdhani Express. So today we will be going to Delhi and tomorrow our journey from Delhi will start for Jammu and then to Leh Ladakh. So this is how we spend our train journeys. So we are playing a game of cards. So this game is called Bridge. So let's see. That's our hotel. The hotel Sunshine. I will also give you a view of the Dal Lake outside. So that's the Dal Lake outside and you can see the terrace there. So our journey started from Delhi day before yesterday and today we have come to Jammu and then to Srinagar. So I will give you a tour of the route. The reception area is this side. The room rent is around 1,800 per night. बढ़िया. So my room is that side. I will take you to my room and view from the room. So I am going into my room. My wife already there. So this is the room. You can see all my luggage is over here. So a bit clumsy. Take one of the room. Main part of the kitchen. Right side. So that's the view from my room.
লোটাস কি বলছিস কোথায় লোটাস কোথায় বানা এ লোটাস হ্যাঁ এটা খুব সুন্দর লাগে এদিকে সুন্দর
এ ভিডিও হচ্ছে সবাই একবার হাত নাড়ি দাও টাটা করে দাও
हाँ
ये जो 1 घंटा है ना आपका
हाँ
ये राइड का है
हाँ
अगर मार्केट में देखना है ना
नहीं लगे
बात सुनो ना
हाँ बोलो
वो टाइम फ्री है
नहीं हमको देखना नहीं है हम लोग को तो जस्ट
नहीं भैया कुछ नहीं चाहिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए
दाम से अच्छा दाम
नहीं कुछ नहीं चाहिए So we have come at the banks of the river Sindhu. We have started our journey from Srinagar, and now we are going to Kargil. So once we reach Kargil, I will again make a vlog. A beautiful view by the place. This is where we have stopped to have some breakfast. We are on our way to Kargil now, 138 kilometers from Srinagar. We started around 7 AM and now it's around 11. Long queue of lorries have gathered behind us. So you can see the ice. So the road is also water. Hello, we have reached the Kargil War Memorial. So here we can see the K2 peak there. That one was the peak that was acquired by the Indian Army, and in their memory the Kargil War Memorial has been built. So these are the martyrs who lost their life in recovering the K2. Just behind the peak you can see the peak. So you can see the range above. So all of those range peaks have Indian bunkers. The Pakistani army had taken over the bunkers, and the main problem was that the Leh road is just outside there, so that connects Dras, the India's coldest village, with Leh. So if the bombarding would happen from those peaks, then the problem that would arise is that they could easily destroy the road, and then all military transportation would have to happen via the only road of Manali to Leh. So that's why this is a very strategic point for India, and getting it back from the Indian army was a major help. And these are the martyrs who helped us in gaining that.
रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दिल को है क्यों ये बेताबी, किससे मुलाकात होनी है, जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी हैं, खुशियों की बगियां भी हैं, रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। ना ना है ना ना, देखो जिधर भी इन राहों में, रंग पिघलते हैं निगाहों में। ठंडी हवा है ठंडी छाँव है, दूर वो जाने किसका गाँव है। बादल ये कैसा छाया, दिल ये कहाँ ले आया, सपना ये क्या दिखलाया है मुझको।
हर सपना सच लगे, जो प्रेम अगन जले, जो राह तू चले अपने मन की। हर पल किसी से मोती ही तू चुने, जो तू सदा सुने अपने मन की।
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। मन अपने को कुछ ऐसे हल्का पाए, जैसे कंधों पे रखा बोझ हट जाए, जैसे भोला सा बचपन फिर से आए, जैसे बरसों में कोई गंगा नहाए।
जैसे बरसों में कोई गंगा नहाए।
खुल सा गया है ये मन, खुल सा गया हर बंधन, जीवन अब लगता है पावन मुझको।
जीवन में प्रीत है, होठों पे गीत है, बस ये ही जीत है। सुन ले राही, तू जिस दिशा भी जा, तू प्यार ही लुटा, तू दीप ही जला। सुन ले राही,
यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कौन ये मुझको पुकारे। नदियाँ पहाड़ झील और झरने, जंगल और वादी, इनमें है किसके इशारे। यूं ही चला चल रही, यूं ही चला चल रही, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे।
सनी सा गा 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 मा 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 रे 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 रे।
सनी सा सा सनी सा सा,
सनी सा गा 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 सा गा 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 सा मा 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 सा पा पा।
सनी सा सा सनी सा सा, यूं ही चला सनी सा सा सनी सा सा, कितनी हसीन ये दुनिया।
Small halt at a beautiful place. That's our RV, and you can see the beautiful mountain terrains here, the rugged looks, and you can see the small roads there. So everyone should visit Ladakh once at least in their lifetime. That's my suggestion. Kashmir has its own beauty, but Ladakh, the beauty of Ladakh, you can't compare with it with anything. See, everything has a beauty of its own. The rugged mountain beauty, this Ladakh beats everything. Hello, so we are at the Aryan Valley. So the Aryan civilization started from these regions of Hindustan. So you can see the area. This is my group members. Our RV is here. A very beautiful place. rugged mountains, the majestic peaks, and the greeneries. You can never believe what we can see here. Hello, so I am at the Da village. You can see one of the this lady. She is a pure Aryan. So there is a local village here where people who came with Alexander to invade India, they stayed back, and then some of them, mainly the people who didn't want to return back to the Greek lands, they stayed back in India because of the large greeneries here, and they settled in a nearby establishment, and now they have become farmers. Earlier they were members of the battalion, that means members of the army of Alexander, but now they have become farmers and now they're living a peaceful life here. So that lady was one of them. So the name of this village is Da. Da and Hanu are two different villages where these people have settled down. So combinedly we know them as the Hanu settlers. So
कहाँ जाना है
So that is the road upwards to the village. So we have taken her. She is guiding us towards the road to our village. So let's see if our car can reach that place.
आप गए थे बड़ा गाड़ी
She is helping us.
We are going towards the Aryan Valley, the Hanu, and we are getting already from that village, and see, we will going with us in our vehicle.
मतलब वहीं से घुमा लेना पड़ेगा और वहाँ से गाँव में जाना क्या पैदल देना पड़ेगा.
रास्ता है आता है अब अभी
हम लोग
उधर से नहीं आता
हाँ हाँ उधर से आए.
आता है अब
अच्छा बट ये वाला जो गांव में जा रहे हैं इस गांव का नाम क्या है?
ये गांव से लास्टियांग बोला लास्टियांग
लास्टिया.
पहले यहाँ ये सोचे पहले ये वो बीमार रहता है ना वो छोड़ दिया बीमार रहता से यहाँ से पहले ये सोचे अंग्रेज वाला का आजकल बीमार रहता है लॉकडाउन है.
अच्छा,
ये
लॉकडाउन के
छोड़ दिया, हाँ, लोग ये गैस से पहले ये अंग्रेज वाला आता है पहले.
So we have come to the hilltop Buddhist monastery. So you are also an Buddhist also, right?
मैं तो बुद्धिस्ट है.
अच्छा आप भी बुद्धिस्ट ही हो. अच्छा. So the settlement, they have taken up the Buddhist religion and now they have built this monastery, and it is at the top of, not really at the top, but almost at the top of one of the smaller mountain ranges, and it is surrounded by mountain ranges on all the directions, giving it a natural protection and keeping it safe from any attack. So we just crossed by the village, and now that's my wife. You want to say something?
Yeah, the place is very beautiful, and we are very lucky that we got this place, because when we were coming the road was not fine, so we got scared very much. But
Yeah, when you are going to Leh from Kargil, don't miss this place. If you want to get a real flavor of the culture of the people who were left behind from Alexander's garrison, so you must come here. See, there is a small playground here also that has been built on the mountain top, and I think that is a school that they have built. So what I understand is that the people in this village, they have schools, they have a hospital. It was an army hospital, right?
no, it's just a medical center.
Okay, it's a medical center. Only thing is that there is no college, but they can
But they
avail
can
the
manage,
college.
like everything is there, like they can manage. They go to Leh for their college and the other degrees.
And there are bus routes also, so communication is not a problem in case it is not the winter season, because in the winter season the roads are covered by snow and there is no transportation available, and the people hoard on the foods, so don't visit in the winter time.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's magic coursing throughout my veins. I don't want it to stop. I feel invincible in every way. I'ma give it all I got. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. There's nothing like feeling alive. There's nothing like feeling alive. I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Hello friends, so I am at the confluence of the river Indus in that side. So that's the river Indus, and that one is the river Jaskar, the one you heard about as the Chadar Trek. So the Chadar Trek takes up ahead in that side. So around January the river gets completely frozen, and so you can walk, and it's a trek or around 8 or 9 days. I will show you that in some other video, and once they make the confluence, then the river goes in that direction. So there you can go to see the confluence, but we have come upstairs so that we can get a full view of the confluence. That is the box mark where the car is supposed to. So here you can see that the road is downhill. Now let's see what happens. Now see, the car is at neutral, and the car is at neutral, and the car is going back. So that's the main attraction of this place, that the car will go move back even though it is uphill. It looks like it's uphill, but that's just an optical illusion. See the road. If you see the road, then you can see that it looks like it's downhill in that direction. Okay, so we have reached Gurdwara Pathar Sahib. So basically, Guru Nanak is well respected by the Tibetan Buddhists, who consider him as a saint. The Dalai Lama, a spiritual leader of the Buddhists in Tibet, has confirmed this in his discussions with some of the Sikh leaders, saying that Tibetans revere Guru Nanak as a Buddhist saint under the name of Guru Gompa Maharaj. One morning when Guru was sitting in meditation, the demon pushed a large pathar or boulder from a hilltop. So when that happened, basically he didn't have any intention of killing the Guru, but it happened anyways. The boulder gained some speed, and as it rumbled down the hillside, when it touched the Guru's body, it softened like wax. And just like if you are pressing something against the warm wax, it creates a footprint. So the same thing happened. Guru Nanak was unhurt while he was meditating, and he was also undisturbed. His meditation didn't break. So thinking that the Guru has been killed, the demon came down and was taken aback to see that the Guru was deep in meditation. In a fit of anger, he tried to push the boulder with his right foot, but as the pathar still had softness, or basically the warm wax kind of feeling, his foot got embedded in it. Pulling his foot from the boulder, the demon was dumbfounded to see the impression of his foot had just left in the stone. The footprint in the rock. On seeing this, the demon realized his own powerlessness in comparison to the spiritual power of the great Guru, the Guru Nanak. And so that's the story here. I don't know which mountain the boulder came down. Basically that's a myth, but the mountains in all the sides, so it can be any one of them. Okay, let's go inside. There is no permission to take photography inside, so you have to come here and visit here if you want to see. Hello, good morning friends. So today we are at Leh. Basically we started our journey from
Srinagar, and then we made a night halt at Kargil in a place called Dras. You have probably heard about Dras. Dras is the coldest village in India and the second coldest in Asia. So this is my room. You can see there is a quite large window there, and let's see the view from the window. So if you go here, then you will see that you can see the mountain ranges. So Leh is surrounded by these mountain ranges from all sides. So Leh is just a valley which is in the middle of these mountain ranges. If you would have come via flight, then you would have got a beautiful picture of this mountain ranges from the sky, but we chose the road, and that is a different experience on its own. Our hotel has a beautiful lobby, beautiful garden. You can see apple tree there. There are roses and different kinds of flowers here. So today we will be going for sightseeing in Leh. So Shanti Stupa and those kind of things there in our plan. So here in Leh, the people are mainly Tibetan and a little bit of Chinese touch is there. You can see the furniture here. See the furniture here. You can see the dragons. Okay, so we have come to the Se Palace. So this is on the Leh Manali road. The original palace is now in ruins and was built near the Se village by the Lachen Paliagon, that means the king of Ladakh, then called Mariul in the 10th century. The current Se Palace and the monastery was also built in 1655 on the instructions of Delen Nagyam below the first palace. Se was the summer capital of Ladakh. You can see the palace here, just in between the rocks. I think that's the original palace. You can see in ruins, and the modern one is this one. So basically the attraction here is that it contains the Swayambhu Muni Buddha statue. It is the second largest Buddha statue in Jammu Kashmir. So I have come to the mountain top, not really at a mountain top. So up there you can see the palace, old fort. So
Dilapidated old fort.
you can see where the fort was built up on the mountain. So it's just halfway on the up the mountain. So we have come all the way from down there to here, and we still have that much to go. But I cannot find the path really, so I will try to find a path out to that place. Yep. Okay, so we had to go for a short trekking to reach the palace. So here is the palace. You can see the palace, the old CA palace, and the road here is not really great, but I will show you the road. So So we have reached the entrance to the fort. So this is the entrance to the fort, and this is where the main palace was. So finally we have reached here. Okay, so we have come to the shooting place of the film Three Idiots. Here you can see the Rancho School is written here. Let's have a small tour of the place.
সিনেমা দেখেনি কি এখন কম নেই সিনেমা দেখেনি গেটটা কাছে চলে এলো না গেটটা নেও কন্টিনিউ হয়েছে তারপরে গেটটাকে
একদম ব্যাস এবার হাই So we have reached the Thikste monastery. So it is located at the location of this place is called Thikste. So the name of this monastery. It is around 11,800 feet above sea level. So let's see the view. You can see the height. We have come at the top of the Thikste monastery. So let's have a view of the surrounding.
खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ खुली है जो पर कहे ये नजर लगता है अब है जागे हम फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई निकले उनसे आगे हम हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता महके हम हुई है कई बातें नहीं जब है ऐसे बहके हम हुआ है यूं कि दिल पिघल गए बस एक पल में हम बदल गए ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो
So we have come to Hemis. So this is a part of the Leh sightseeing. After the Leh Palace, and then we visited Tikse Monastery, and then we have come to the Hemis. The Hemis was it is located in 40 kilometers southeast of the Leh town, and it was built in 1672 AD by King Senje Namgyal. Okay, let's go inside and see.
जिसमें जादू ऐसा था हम हो गए जैसे नहीं वो पल जाने कैसा था कहीं दिल के जाओ उधर ही तो जहाँ भी लेके जाए आरज़ू ओहो जो भी हो सो जो भी हो सो उड़े जो भी हो सो उड़े जो भी हो सो
Hello. So we have reached Santi Stupa. That is the Santi Stupa there. So Lord Buddha said that after his death there shouldn't be any kind of deity kind of thing or any statue of him should be formed here. So this was built at that point of time in such a place uphill. You can see the surrounding here. So at that point of time we must remember that there was no such roads and everything, so you can well guess the kind of labor that would have been taken to build that one. So we have come at the top. There is the Santi Stupa. You can see it. I will give you a view of the surrounding.
কি দারুণ জায়গা বহু কষ্টে এলাম সত্যি মন ভরে গেল চারিদিকে শুধু পাহাড় পাহাড় তেমনি নদীর জল অপূর্ব এই তো ভাবতেই পারছি না আমার জীবনে এরকম একটা জায়গায় আমি আসতে পারতাম তা যাই হোক আমার ছেলের বউ দৌলতে জোর করে নিয়ে এসছে ভীষণ ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে আমার এই ট্যুরটা অসম্ভব ভালো লেগেছে আমি যা দেখেছি আর কি মনে হচ্ছে যে সব ছাপিয়ে গেছে
So we are about to go to the Khardungla Pass, which is around 18,000 feet, and we are nearly about 17,000 feet by now. You can see that we have reached the mountain tops already. You can see the white patches of snow in my left. Hello. So we have come to the Khardungla Pass. You can see it's written here, Khardungla Pass. So on the top also it's written Khardungla Gonpa. Hello. So the Khardungla top, it is around, you can see it is written here. So it's a favorite place for bikers to take pictures, and I'm also making a video blog here. So it seems to be a famous spot for every person. You can see the snow backside, and it's written India here. The border road Vijay project was the one that built the project here.
ওই যে ডান দিকে ওটা যাচ্ছে ওইটা হচ্ছে নুবরা নদী, ওই যে ওই ডান দিকে সোজা চলে যাচ্ছে, আর সায়ক নদীটা বাদিকে চলে যাচ্ছে, এই যে বাদিকে আর ওইটা হচ্ছে নুবরা, ওই যে নুবরা এই এখান থেকে ফাটা সর
On my left you can see the Dixit Monastery, and this is one of the stupas of Buddha. So it's on the mountain top. I am at the Maitri Buddha statue. So at the date of Buddha, he said that his statue shouldn't be built anywhere, but this one was built, and this one is utilized by the Indian government in many places, like similar like the Ashok Stamba is utilized in many places. So this statue is also utilized in many places. So if you are coming to Leh Ladakh, then this is a must visit. And from here you can also see the monastery, it's a monastery. So that's also nearby. So when you are planning, you can plan these two together. Thanks. So today morning I started from Leh, and
I came here at Hundar. So Hundar is the coldest place, the coldest desert is here. So this is my hotel room. I will just give you a view outside my hotel room. So there are several other rooms here. So if you are planning to come to Hundar, you can stay here. A nice view. The mountain is just looking like copper plated, something like that, or chocolate colored, whatever you call it. So next I will be going to the Hundar desert for the double hump camel ride, and I also have the plan for ATK ride. So I will see you.
Hello. Hello.
और मेरा फोटो ही
am at Hundar Valley, the cold desert of India. So here you can see a group of double hump camels returning from their trip. So this is something special. Only in India you can see. Basically these camels you can also find in Afghanistan. So, and in India at Hundar cold desert you can find these camels. You can see a group of small kid camels here waiting for their parents. The parents basically take the guests for a ride, and you are at Hundar, the cold desert. So if you are talking about a desert, then camels are must, and in the cold desert of India you will find the double hump camel, which you will not find it anywhere else in India. Thanks. Now I will go for my ride. My turn has come. So another attraction of here is the ATK ride, which I have already ridden, and now my turn for the camel ride has come. Thanks. See you.
সেটিংস থেকে দুটো সিম ডুয়াল সিম এর সেটিংসে যান, আর তারপর সিম সেটিংসে যান, দুটো সিম ডুয়াল সিম একসাথে করে দিন, সিম কার্ড নাম্বার ভিডিওটা করছি তো সামনে চলে আসলে ফটো তুলবো কি করে, ভিডিও তুলবো কি করে? হয়েছে দাদা? আচ্ছা আমি যাচ্ছি, 1 মিনিট। তুলেছি, ভিডিও করেছি। সামনের দিকে ঝুঁকবেন, সামনের দিকে ঝুঁকুন, হ্যাঁ সামনের দিকে ঝুঁকুন, হ্যাঁ ঝুঁকুন, কোনো ব্যাপার নয়। নামার সময় ঠিক উল্টো দাদা, নামার সময় ঠিক উল্টো, পেছন থেকে ঝুঁকবেন। সেই ছটা ওকে বলেছিল ফেলুদা। হাত নাড়ান। সামনের দিকে ঝোঁকো, দড়িটা ধরো, সামনের দিকে ঝোঁকো, হ্যাঁ এই সামনে দিকে ঝুঁকবে, সামনে দিকে, ব্যাস। এখন কিছু দড়িটা ধরবে, তাহলে কিছু হবে না। দড়িটা দুপাশ দিয়ে ধরো, না, হ্যাঁ উল্টো দিক দিয়ে ধরো। একদম
কিভাবে করলে তোমরা?
সামনের দিকে ঝুঁকে থাকবি, সামনের দিকে ঝুঁকে
এরকম ধরো, হ্যাঁ ওটাকে ওই হাতটা এরকম ধরো, ধরছি।
পাগল নাকি তুই?
হাত নাড়ান, এই হাত নাড়াও। কিচ্ছু করবে না। আমি তো ওখান থেকে সেলফি তুলেছি, ভিডিও কল করতে গেছি। গুড, হাত নাড়াও, বাস নিয়ে যাবে।
হাত নাড়ান। Hi, we are going to Bangkok from Hundar Valley. So now we are crossing the river bed of Sayak. Sayak is a glacier-fed river. So if you are planning to travel in the monsoon season, this road will be overflown by the Sayak river. So at that point this journey will not be possible, and you have to go back to Leh via Khardungla Pass and then go to Pangong Lake. But if you are doing it in a time like winter or in the summer time, then you can travel via this route from Hundar to Pangong directly, crossing the riverbed of River Sayak. water has come over the road, and you can see we are crossing the road which is overflowing with the riverside water.
बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। धूप में छाँव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहने से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो।
So I have come to the Pangong Lake, a beautiful place. So this is the starting point of Pangong Lake. It is the Indian side, and in my back side is a long stretch, and if you go that side you will find China. So this Pangong Lake is divided between China and India in 40:60 ratio, with India having 40% of the Pangong Lake while China having 60%. The borders made by humans. The fish in this lake, they have dual citizenship, both Chinese and Indian. No military can stop them from entering the other country. What have we made of this country, man? We have divided nature just for us, just for humans. Yesterday we started from Nubra Valley, we went to Pangong Lake, and then we returned to Leh via the Changla Pass, which is the world's second highest motorable pass. What happened is that few of the members had some breathing problem, so today's plans have been cancelled. Today we had plans to go to So Moriri from here, and then the night stay was planned at So Moriri, and then tomorrow we had plans to go to Jispa from So Moriri. Instead, the plan has been made that today we will be staying in Leh city, and tomorrow we will be moving to Jispa. So I wanted to show you, see this fruit. You can see these orange fruits here. These are apricot, and also I wanted to show you this one. You can see here, right? This one, it's an apple. So this hotel has all its organic fruits. So you can see the beans, you can see the cabbage, you can see carrot, beets, all kinds of vegetables. They are growing it on their own. During the winter season they use this food only. So basically they are hoarding for the winter seasons when everything will be locked down and no food supply will be available. At that point of time they will be utilizing this food that they are growing in the summer season. So our hotel is New Moon Guest House in Leh, Ladakh, in Leh city basically. Okay, I will give you the next update when I reach Jispa or on the route.
এটা হচ্ছে থার্ড খারদুংলা চাংলা এরপর হবে বাংলাছা।
कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो, बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। सुलगती धूप में छाँव के जैसा, रेगिस्तान में गाँव के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहमे से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल आवारा था वो, यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को,
sandstorms here in our route from Leh to Manali. Basically we are going to Jispa today, so from Jispa it will be a 4 hours drive to Manali, but we are planning to stay in Jispa.
Good morning. So today we are at Jispa. We started our journey from Leh and via Baralacha pass we have reached at Jispa. It is nearby to Manali, so I will show you my room. That's my window. So Jispa is a small hill town, so you can see that it is surrounded by mountains on all sides. A couple of bikers were there with us, so this is also a favorite place for bikers. I will just take you outside my hotel room and give you a look outside. So you can see that there are certain camps outside there. That's our canteen, and there is a river nearby. You can see the mountain ranges here. So it's a very beautiful place. We are staying at Padma Lodge. You can see it's written there, Padma Lodge, and you can also find the contact number and 9418911164. So if you are staying at Manali and want a nearby place surrounded in hills, then you can opt for this place. It is a very beautiful place and you will enjoy a lot. You can select camps or you can select the hotel room, whichever you like. Both have awesome views. you will find snow in the winter season, and during summer the view will be something like this. Okay, today we will be going to Manali. Basically, we started our journey from Leh at 8 a.m. and we reached here around 8 p.m. So it was just our night halt before we could reach to Manali. We stayed here because we got late. So you can plan yours. If you are planning to go directly to Manali, that's also fine, but then you have to start very early, like something around 6 a.m. from Leh. And if you are not feeling like that, because it's a 12 to 13 hour journey via a bus or any van or a car or anything, so it's up to you. You can stay here. So now I will take you inside the tent to give you a view. So here I am going inside the tent. So you will find it very much comfortable. There is this bed. You will have to pull down that chain here to shut down the winds that are coming from outside. Obviously it's not completely airtight because there is an emptiness at the bottom. And the washroom is not within the tent, it is outside the tent, and it is a concrete arrangement. So I don't think that you will get the real experience of a tent stay, but as a beginner this is something that you can try out definitely. And it seems to be a lot of comfortable here rather than the tents that you will find when you are going for camping at hikings. But this one is a more comfortable version of a tent stay. If you are planning it for the first time, then I suggest to try out this one. If you like this one, then you can go for camping during hikes. Thanks. Hi. So these people have started from Manali and they are planning to go to Leh via cycle. So can you tell me your plans? What are your cycling plans? Where
Cycling plans are just as we go. We make plans as just we go.
Okay.
Till Leh.
So when did you start from Manali?
Started yesterday.
Okay, you started yesterday?
Yes.
So
reached
how
here
long
today.
did it? Okay.
And maybe 10-15 days for the whole trip.
Okay, so at
maybe
Leh
20 days.
your cycling will take a halt, or you will be returning back to Manali?
Returning back to Manali.
Within 15 days?
Yes.
Okay, so as you have heard, this place is not only the paradise for bikers or tourists but also for cyclists, and this is the new fashion. So I will again start my vlog when I reach Manali. So till then, bye bye. Okay, so we are now about to reach Manali. This is Kelong, a small hill station, and I am with Ashok. So the full tour was done by Ashok. He took us from Leh to Manali today, and the journey started from Jammu. So
Chandigarh.
So he also operates in Chandigarh. So if you want, you can contact him. आपका नंबर दे दीजिए.
Okay. 9697 540239.
Asen. Asen.
चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन, दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन, दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा, हमको राहों हैं चिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते जगमगाते हैं चिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते जहाँ रुके जहाँ भी जाए जो हम चाहें वो हम पाए मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा
Small town cities at the bottom.
हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ
Small houses.
चाहता है चाहता है चाहता है चाहता है कैसा अजब ये सफर है सोचो तो हर एक ही बेखबर है उसको जा
Boys bhutia mix.
Bhutia mixed. And their eyes?
They're
Normal eyes.
plain eyed.
Great. Brown eyes.
जहर है क्या खा रहा है तू ये?
इसका डबल कपड़े आएगा ना
Long bit मतलब?
उसका भी डबल
Long bit. Long bit.
इसका भी डबल कपड़े आएगा
This one
They will shade
and
these.
this one are brother sisters, no?
So
oh this one brother sister
No.
we are taking 2 puppies.
brother sister
That one came from Lawal. That one. Okay. She was rescued with 6 of her brothers and sisters.
35 days no
Hanji, that one is 35. And
this one
This one is about 40 days old.
From where?
This one was rescued from Kullu.
Kulu, okay.
He was brought in
Okay.
because somebody picked him up and left him on the road.
See what
Hey, don't
local
go.
people do here is when they don't want dogs, throw them in the river.
अच्छा.
Yes. It's very common practice.
that's not
Or they bury them alive.
हाँ करो जल्दी
चल चलो. अच्छा हम इसको ले लेते हैं.
इसका
I will,
You are not invited. You are not going to stay here.
Guy, you are not going, baby.
These
if we take it from road, won't the other dogs will like...
No, no.
Jambo Baras from the
इसका
balcony.
अच्छा ढका दी दो Come on, go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep is the same, they will sleep on
So
the
we can open the door. We can open this box.
चलो.
Okay, bye.
Thank you for taking them.
Talk, no?
And they can be shut in. मेरे पास ही रहेगा. You are doing such a big favor by taking to.
Yeah, you are. You two are staying here for how many years? I came here when I was a college boy.
I'll buy food for
When I was a
you.
college boy, that is about 1983.
Where from you are?
I came from Delhi.
अच्छा. And see?
She's my daughter, and so she's living here at the moment. Otherwise, she lives in Jaipur.
No, guy, don't bully her.
Just keep on.
এটা তো পছন্দ হচ্ছে বলো
Yeah, the white one was very cute, very cute.
Guy.
No, let's move. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Please
much.
take care.
We'll definitely.
Please.
And
anytime
already having a dog.
anytime
6
Alright.
months I will keep calling you.
not only 6 months
Keep on calling.
stay outside
Say you want to go, baby?
Here, cat's here.
That's all.
আর কেউ নামবে যারা যারা নামার নেমে যাও.
ভিডিও হচ্ছে, ভিডিও সব ভিডিও হচ্ছে, কোনো ক্যামেরা নেই, ভিডিও একদম ভিডিও 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 হচ্ছে পুরোটা बढ़िया। আমার চলছে ভিডিও। বাবা নেমে যাও। একদম একদম হয়ে গেছে। মা তোমারটা আসেনি কিন্তু না, একদম 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 সব আসছে একদম। একবার তুমি নামো না, জলে নামো। बस बस ऐसे ऐसे कैसे ऐसे कैसे।
दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। नजर में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। हवा के झोंकों के जैसे आजाद रहना सीखो, तुम एक दरिया के जैसे लहरों में बहना सीखो। हर एक लम्हे से तुम मिलो, खोले अपनी बाहें, हर एक पल एक नया समा देखिए निगाहें। जो अपनी आंखों में हैरानियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम। दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो।